In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a ClickUp template. If you find yourself reusing the same setup again and again in ClickUp, creating a template is a great way to save time and keep your workspace consistent. Whether it's a task, a list, a folder, a doc, or another item, saving it as a template lets you quickly recreate that structure whenever you need it in the future. To get started, open the item you want to reuse. This could be anything you've already built out and want to turn into a repeatable framework. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the item so you know it contains exactly what you want copied into the template. Once the item is open, look for the ellipsis or three-dot menu beside the item's name. Click that menu to open the item options. This is where ClickUp keeps several actions related to managing that item, including the option to work with templates. From that menu, select Templates, and then choose Save as Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to turn the current item into something you can use again later, rather than rebuilding it from scratch each time. Next, enter a name for your template. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for, so it's easy to recognize later. You can also add an optional description. This can be helpful if you want to explain when the template should be used, or what kind of workflow it supports. After that, choose the contents you want to include in the template. Depending on the item type, ClickUp may let you include things like fields, views, tasks, automations, or other related elements. Take a moment here to be intentional. Including the right content makes the template useful, while leaving out anything too specific can keep it flexible for future use. Then, set the visibility for the template. This determines who can access it. Depending on how your workspace is organized, you may want to keep it just for yourself, share it with certain people, or make it available more broadly. Choosing the right visibility helps ensure the template is accessible to the people who actually need it. Finally, click Save Template. Once you do that, your template will be stored and ready to use whenever you want to recreate that item setup in ClickUp. That's all it takes to save a ClickUp template. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in speeding up repetitive work and standardizing processes. Thanks for watching.